Good evening. I'm ABC10 Meteorologist Tracy Humphrey with a look at your extended weather forecast. Average daytime high this time of the year in the mid-50s. Today we got up to 56 with some spotty showers throughout the day. Also taking a look at something else, a morning low normally in the upper 30s. This morning we hit the lower 50s. So today was a day that was rather seasonal for the afternoon, but a little mild for the morning. We did have some pockets of some pretty significant rain bands that moved through today, and boy, did it add up. Look at this. Precipitation today for Sacramento Executive Airport, more than 0.8 of an inch. For the season so far, beginning October 1st, we're more than 12.5 inches of rainfall, and departure from average, we're in the plus side of the column, more than 7.5 inches of rainfall. The latest drought monitor index also came out today. Take a look at some of the latest numbers. Extreme drought in effect for 79% of the state of California. Exceptional drought is 23%. So this is this dark red to burgundy shading that you see there. Just in case you're wondering, this time last week it was 28%. So slowly but surely, we're making a dent. Here is a look at Highway 80 at Donner Summit, which is just above 7,000 feet in elevation, where they've been looking at some genuine snowfall. So, of course, driving, yeah, you're definitely going to need chains. And as that opportunity for snow showers remains in the forecast, sometimes heavy at times, you're going to have the opportunity for road closures as well. Weather headlines: spotty showers in the forecast for tonight. Still an opportunity for a few isolated thunderstorms, and low snow in the forecast next week, as low as 1,000 feet in elevation. Here's the opportunity for those thunderstorms. Again, any of them are expected to be short-lived, but they could generate the opportunity for some pockets of heavier rainfall and maybe even a few lightning strikes. Here's a look at your satellite and radar. We've been busy today. The heaviest rounds of rainfall moved through earlier this morning, but still some spotty activity. So I'm going to keep it in the forecast for this evening. Off and on rain showers expected tonight, and also as we move into tomorrow before another cold front comes in and things will start to kick up just a little bit more. Here's a look at how much rainfall we've picked up since midnight. So you can see more than 1.75 inches coming in for Placerville. Auburn looking at more than 1 inch of rainfall, 1.5 inches in South Lake Tahoe. That's because they're looking at rain, but don't worry, when the colder air gets here over the course of the weekend, it'll be all about the snowfall. Sacramento coming in just shy of 1 inch of rainfall, as well as into Fairfield. And here is a look at our futurecast. So right now, activity is relatively spotty. Most locations aren't even looking at anything right now. You'll see a few breaks in the clouds. As we move into tomorrow morning, which is Christmas Eve, we do have a storm system approaching. So here is a look at the frontal boundary as it makes its way to the valley floor. The yellow and the orange showing the opportunity for some light to moderate bands of rainfall coming into play, and then it exits the valley floor, starts to hit the higher terrain around midday, and then we turn our attention to Christmas, where another system comes in. This one also comes in through Chico, Yuba City, timing out right now based on model data around 7 o'clock in the morning. That one clears the valley floor, moving up to parts of the higher terrain, and that'll be around the evening. You'll still see some parts of the northern San Joaquin Valley looking at some rain showers, but for Sacramento areas to the north, you're going to see improving conditions. Then we get to Sunday. Another system comes in around midday. This one will also generate the opportunity for some periods of heavier rainfall, and then we're going to start to see snow levels fall. So snow levels right now are really around 6,500 feet. As we move into Sunday, colder air comes in and the snow levels are going to start to plummet. Take a look at Sunday at 10 o'clock in the morning. This particular model showing blue through Blue Canyon, Forest Hill, all the way through Pollock Pines. That is the opportunity for genuine snow showers. The pink here showing that rain and snow line just north of Auburn, moving into Placerville. As we move into Monday and Tuesday, the snow level is expected to continue to fall. So let's take a look at it. We start out tonight into Thursday, snow level around 5,500 feet. Friday, another system comes in for Christmas Eve. That's going to be a cold front, so cooler air will come in back behind it. Snow levels fall to near 3,500 feet, and you will have some periods of heavier rain and snow. Saturday and Sunday, another system comes in. One comes in Saturday, another comes in Sunday. So you're going to be ushering in each day the opportunity for colder air, and it does impact snow levels. Snow levels will fall as low as 1,300 feet over the course of the holiday weekend. Then we get to Monday and Tuesday, and that's when we could see some of the coldest air. Snow levels could fall as low as 500 feet in elevation, and we're also talking about the opportunity for some gusty winds as well. As we take a look at how much we could see by Tuesday, okay, so this is not even when it's all said and done. This is just by Tuesday. More than 100 inches of snowfall for Donner, 80 to 100 inches of snowfall for Echo, Summit, and Carson and Ebbets Pass could see more than 100 inches of snowfall. bear in mind many of these locations picked up several feet of snowfall last week as well. So the winter storm warning is in effect until around mid-morning on Tuesday. Here's a look at the areas we're concerned about in the pink through Truckee, that's South Lake Tahoe, also moving into Placerville, Arnold, and Sonora. As we get to Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, that's when areas that don't typically pick up snowfall are going to get in on the action. The winter storm warning begins at 4 a.m. on Sunday. It's going to be during the day Monday and Tuesday. And look at the areas we're concerned about. Grass Valley, Forest Hill, Auburn, Placerville, even down into Jackson. Those locations could see total snow accumulation of 8 to 12 inches of snowfall. That is a very big deal for these locations. They are not accustomed to getting that much snowfall. So if you live in any of those areas and you are traveling for the holiday, make sure you have timed out your travel based on when that snowfall is expected for some of those lower elevations. Here's a look at how much more rainfall we could see. More than an inch of additional rainfall in Sacramento, close to almost 2 inches of additional rainfall in Placerville, and more than an inch and a half of additional rainfall for Auburn as well as into Grass Valley. So here's a look at the big picture. This is Thursday. We're going to go into Thursday night. You'll see again the opportunity for those rain showers coming in. As we move into Friday, we still have an opportunity for rain showers. As we move into Saturday, which is going to be Christmas Day, that other system comes in, hits the coastline, and it will generate the opportunity for a few periods of heavier rainfall. We get into Sunday, we're still looking at the opportunity for some active weather across the state, much of Northern California. More of the same coming in for Monday, more of the same still in the forecast Tuesday. Again, that's when that coldest air is expected. That's when snow levels will fall and could be again as low as 400 feet. Now that's based on model data, so we're always updating it. But as of right now, the takeaway is very low snow for many parts of the foothills and could even hit parts of the valley floor. So it's going to be something that a few of us will forget. Here's a look at Thursday coming in around 7:30 in the morning. Still got a little activity. And how about Friday? That is New Year's Eve. We could be looking at another system moving into the area. So a very busy active weather pattern for us. The proverbial storm door is wide open. Boom, like we just kicked that puppy down. So 48 coming in for Auburn for afternoon highs, 41 in Pollock Pines, 34 coming in for Truckee with a morning low around 30 degrees. When you take a look at Tahoe, look at this. Tahoe over the course of the next 5 days. Afternoon highs for Friday is just above freezing. Colder air comes in, you get afternoon high in the upper 20s. Colder air comes in, you get an afternoon high in the mid 20s. And that's when you can see it's very cold conditions expected as snow levels will continue to fall and rounds of snowfall continue. Afternoon highs in the Bay Area going 52 for San Francisco, 54 in Oakland, mid-50s in San Jose. For the coastline, 56 in Santa Cruz, the opportunity for the lower 50s coming in for afternoon highs in Gilroy. And then we hit the valley floor. So again, much of the day tomorrow, you're not going to have a whole lot of activity. It's only when that next cold front comes in around 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to around 12 o'clock. So it's about a 5-hour window when you're going to have the best chance of rain showers. Afternoon highs and low down in the mid-50s, 53 coming in for Modesto. And then we hit Sacramento with an afternoon high coming in around 50. Bear in mind, normal daytime high 55, and then we get to 50 for Sacramento, 52 in Folsom, 52 in El Dorado Hills, mid-50s in Oroville, and the mid-50s in Colusa. 10-day forecast. So colder air comes in, and Sacramento will see some cold temperatures as well. So we'll get to afternoon highs in the upper 40s. Overnight lows coming into Sunday morning going to be 38 degrees. Still got a chance of rain showers coming in. That's going to be Monday and Tuesday, even into Wednesday. Thursday, still looking at opportunity for showers. And finally, we could be drying out Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, even though some models are showing the opportunity for more rain and snow. But it's still so far out. That's why I put it on there as just like just to kind of, you know, make us feel good about the fact that we could actually be seeing nonstop sunshine. But if the models continue to show more rain and snow, I will update these days and put the opportunity for rain and snow showers on that forecast for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as we move into the new year. That is a look at your weather forecast. Of course, you can always get the latest updates on ABC10.com. You can also get them on YouTube. We'll be making constant adjustments with the storm totals for the rainfall as well as snowfall. And again, the opportunity for low snow for areas from 1,000 to 2,000 feet in elevation is a pretty significant weather story for us, especially around the holiday season with a lot of people traveling. So if you live in any of those areas, like myself, make sure you know what's happening. Make sure you are in the position where you can get to where you want to be safely. You don't want to be on the road with that amount of snowfall predicted, especially when you're not used to driving in it or if you don't have an all-wheel drive vehicle. That is a look at your weather update. I'm ABC10 Meteorologist Tracy Humphrey.